Hello student. Now I am going to explain you triangle exercise 7.4. The 7.4 chapter exercise is related to these three theorems. First theorem is if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the larger side is longer or greater. Now listen here, this is a triangle. It is the longest side, then this one, and it is the smallest side. So the opposite to the smallest side is the smallest, and opposite to the longest side is the greater angle. This is the first theorem. Now if any angle, the side opposite to the longer angle, greater angle is longer, side opposite to the greater angle is longer. Okay. Third one is the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. AB plus AC is always greater than the BC. Sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Now in questions and its solution, first question is show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse is the longest side, we have to prove. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree has given, and well, suppose B is the 90 degree and A and C are the acute angles. So angle B is greater than A and B is greater than C also. So B is the greatest angle. Theorem has got, we have got the theorem, angle opposite to the side of angle opposite to the side opposite to the greater angle is greater. So angle AC is greater than AB. Angle AC, side AC is greater than AB. And side as this one relate to this. B's opposite is AC and A's opposite is BC. So AC is greater than BC. Now from here angle B is greater than angle C. So B is opposite, AC is greater than AB. These two relation. So AC is always greater. So AC hypotenuse is the longest side. Next question is if this one figure has given AB and AC of triangle ABC extended to points P and Q respectively. Also angle PBC, this angle is smaller, and angle QCB, this is the greater angle. Now show that AC is greater than AP. Now exterior angle, this is the exterior angle, and these two are opposite interior angle. I have colored pen I used here, this exterior angle and this plus this. So that I have done angle PBC is equal to angle A plus angle ACB. Angle A plus ACB. Next is exterior angle QCB. This is exterior, that time angle A plus angle B means angle A plus angle ABC. Now first and second equation if we check in, now given angle PBC, this one PBC is smaller, and QCB is greater. Therefore its left hand side, according to the left hand, it is substitute the value of the right hand side. It is A plus angle ACB is smaller than angle A plus angle ABC. Now angle A cancel. So angle ACB is smaller than angle ABC, or ABC is greater than angle ACB. So hence opposite sides are side opposite to the greater angle are longer. So it is hence AC is greater, longer than AB. Now next question is in triangle In this figure, angle B is smaller than angle A. B is smaller than angle A. Here I signed in this way, it is the greater and it is smaller. And angle C is smaller and D is greater. Show that AD is smaller and BC is greater. AD is smaller than BC. Now, here in any triangle, the side opposite to the longer angle is longer, or the side opposite to the smaller angle is shorter. In this theorem, it is triangle OAB. This triangle OAB. Here, angle B has given. Angle B is smaller than angle A. Therefore, its opposite. It is AB is smaller than OB. Okay. Next, in this triangle, similarly, angle C is smaller than angle D. So, it is OD is smaller than OC. Now, these two relation you add. So, OA plus OD is equal to, is smaller than OB is OB plus OC. Okay. OA plus OD together is AD and it is BC. So, AD is smaller than BC. Next is question number 4. AB and CD are the respectively the smallest and longest side. In this quadrilateral, smallest one this AD and longest is CD. Of quadrilateral images show that angle A is greater than angle C. Angle A is greater than angle C, and similarly angle B is greater than angle D. We have to prove that. Now, for proving it, construct BD and AC. First, if you construct BAC, there, if you construct AC here, draw the diagonal AC of triangle ABC, and AB is the smallest side. In this triangle, AB is the smallest. I already has given here. It is the smallest one. It is the biggest one. So, this one is the smallest one. So, its opposite angle, angle 2, and its opposite angle is angle 1. So, okay. So, angle 1 is greater than angle 2. Next is, in triangle, opposite sides triangle you have to take. In triangle ADC, this triangle CD is greater than AD. It is the longest side has given. CD is greater than AD. So, its opposite angle 3 is greater than its opposite angle 4. So, angle 3 is greater than angle 4. Now, first and second relation you add. So, angle 1 plus angle 3 is greater than angle 2 plus 4. Got it? So, angle A is greater than angle C. Similarly, if you draw BD, similarly you can prove that. So, angle B is greater than angle D. Next question, question number 5 in figure 7.51. PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ. I have signed here in this way. It is greater and it is smaller. So, its opposite angle it is smaller and its opposite angle it is greater. You have to check on the same triangle, not the different triangle. So, okay, you have to take the same triangle. Now, prove that angle PSR, this angle PSR is greater than PSQ, this angle. Okay. Now, it is by exterior interior property this. If it is exterior, so this is equal to sum of this plus this. And this is equal to sum of this plus this. These two are equal has given. So, therefore, check it here. PR is greater than PQ. So, Q is greater than R. Hence, in triangle PSQ in this triangle, this PSQ is exterior angle and that is SPR plus RS, SPR and PRS, these two angles. Now in these two triangle, if you compare, left hand side has given PQS, this Q is greater than R, so PQS is equal to SPR, these two angles are equal, so this should be cancelled. So angle Q is greater than this, so therefore in this side angle PSR is greater than PSQ. Okay, thank you very much. It is the last question in this chapter.